In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. As you know that my name is Muhammad Hussain, Bakhas Sumro. I'm a student of law and I live in city Chicago. So today I'm here to share with you a very decent and very informative topic, that is how to give presentation. So before I start my topic, I would like to give a small introduction about the presentation. What is a presentation? Basically, the word presentation means it means the way of communication. In presentation, we communicate with our audience, our listeners. If I'm communicating with you, you are my audience and you are listening to me. Presentation is held in a specific topic like Qaidism, like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, like political instability, or anything. It is a very small introduction. And one thing I mentioned is that in a presentation we can deliver in our school, in college, in university, in seminars, anywhere you will deliver your presentation. So I would like to give you some points that how we develop and how we deliver our presentation. There is a 4 P's of presentation. 4 P's of presentation. Number first is plan. Number second is prepare. Number third is practice. Number four is present. These are the 4 points. Before delivering your presentation, you have to follow these all instructions and you have to follow this all methodology. If we're talking about the plan, before your presentation, you have to make the plan by questioning yourself. You can question what is my topic, which topic I will perform, where I will perform. It means that you plan each and everything about your presentation. It is the plan. Number second is preparation. We can say prepare about your presentation. Which questions you asked by yourself in planning, is time to answer those all questions in preparation. Number third is practice. Here's a one quotation in English that practice perfect the man. There's a one quote I remember. Practice is a very important thing before the delivering your presentation. If you practice yourself, you can find or figure out the mistakes which you made during your presentation. You can practice in front of your mirror. You will know that which body language I have. Number fourth point is present. In last, you have to follow these all instructions and present your presentation. There are some tips that we need to follow, that as our lady said, that your eye contact should be maintained and you look all around the room.